Okay, you're in a restaurant. You've had a fantastic meal. The service has been really good. The waiter comes over, gives you the bill, and you know you want to pay them a 10% tip. You go. You start freaking out. How do I work out my 10% tip? It's dead easy. I'll show you. Now, suppose we had a bill for £57.32 and we've got to leave a 10% tip. Well, all you've got to do is move the decimal point one place to the left. So if we've got £57.32, we take our decimal point and move it now one place to the left. So what is the tip going to be? Well, it's going to be 5.732. But that doesn't seem to make much sense. We only have 2 digits behind the decimal point in money, so we need to ignore the 2. So what do we get? What are we going to give then? Well, we're going to give, ideally, £5.73. But you might want to give a little bit more, £5.75, £5.80 maybe, or a little less. It's up to you. And what happens if your bill was, say, for £6.24? Then we take our decimal point, move it back one place to the left, and this time the tip would be 0.624. We don't want this 4 here. We've got 2 digits behind the decimal point, so we ignore the 4. And so how much are we going to give this time? Well, 0.62 pounds is better known as 62 pence. But again, it's up to you whether you give a little more or a little less. But that is what 10% would be. So I hope that's given you an idea then. You can enjoy your meals, knowing that calculating 10% is no big deal.